Well, a gorgeous morning out there so far. Here's your view of downtown San Francisco. Not a cloud in the sky, no fog whatsoever. And guess what? Not really talking a lot of wind for the Bay, which is definitely nice news for us. We do have a very, very light offshore wind here in the Bay Area. For our Southern California neighbors, that offshore wind does continue. We've still had 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. I mean, yesterday, though, we had gusts approaching 100 miles per hour, and that is what absolutely fueled those flames. We still do have red flag warnings and those fire weather warnings and just winded warnings in general all across Southern California. The LA metro area still very much so in the midst of some strong winds, and signs are pointing towards another offshore wind event into early next week, too. So we're still continuing to see this fire danger through tomorrow, and then next week not catching a breather. So this is a bad situation with no rain in the forecast for our Southern California neighbors. Our situation up here is definitely comparatively much better. We've seen the winter rain. Our winds have relaxed already, so very much so a better situation for the Bay. You can see just how much calmer we are today. I mean, aside from the Delta, the Bay Area is looking really nice and calm. There's that low sitting across the southwest, slowly exiting the region. We will have a brief reprieve in winds towards the weekend for Southern California, but it does look likely that especially Monday into next week, another offshore wind could kick into gear Monday night, and this could cause devastating winds yet again for our Southern California neighbors. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on that. 60s for your daytime highs in the city as well as out along the coastline. Very similar forecast as to yesterday. South San Francisco, San Bruno, Mill Bay in the mid 60s for your daytime highs. Nearing 70 in Palo Alto at 67. Getting to 70 in San Jose, Santa Clara, and Milpitas. These could be potentially record-breaking warm numbers across the Bay Area today. We have been setting a few records the past few days, and today no different with just how warm it will be for January. Fairfield, Napa, Yountville, Vacaville, all into the low 70s this afternoon. A look ahead does show daytime highs remaining predominantly in the 60s with sunshine and nothing but it. This high pressure ridge, it is a hard trend to break, very stubborn and persistent well into next week.